are some of the beautiful products that I'm going to be using in today's tutorial. Let's get started because I'm so excited for this. We're going to take care of my hair now, so I just washed it with my favorite shampoo and conditioner bar from Super Zero. We're going to take my wet brush here and just brush it out. Now, one of my favorite hair care products is by IGK. This is the Mistress Hydrating Hair Balm. There's so many good things I can say about it. I absolutely love it. It keeps my hair so soft, frizz-free, and it just literally brings so much moisture to my hair. I prefer to put more of it from the middle to the ends, just to give my ends a really deep moisture. Right here. And just while I do the rest of my makeup, I'm going to take this hair tie. These are very thin elastics from Kish. I absolutely love them. They hold my hair so nicely and they don't leave big creases in my hair because of how thin it is. So we're just going to leave it right like this while I do the rest of my makeup. Right here I have one of my favorite beauty products. This is the Under Eye Brightening Corrector. I love applying just a little bit right underneath my eye. You're going to see the difference very quickly. So if you look from the eye I just applied it to this one, with one coat, virtually my eye is so much brighter and my dark circles are gone. So let's apply it to the other eye. The next product I love to put on is by Honest Beauty. Honest Beauty is one of my favorite brands. This is the CCC Clean Corrective with Vitamin C Tinted Moisturizer with SPF 30. We're going to apply this all over my face. I stopped halfway through so that way you can see the difference, how smooth and clear this side is, and this side is still a bit of redness, uneven skin tone. So again, this is the side I just applied it to, and here's the other. Let's finish this up. To set this makeup, I'm going to use the Honest Save Face Shielding Setting Spray. I love the setting spray. My makeup always stays in place. For my brows, I'm going to use this brush by Eyes, Lips, and Face. So we're going to brush these out. I still have a bit of remainder of a brow tint that I did a few weeks ago. Maybe it was longer by now, actually. It might have been in July. By Wander Beauty, I have the On The Go Glow. This is the blush and illuminator. So on this side, we have this very pretty blush. We're just going to dab this on a little bit here. Then we'll blend it in. On my lips, we're going to go in with Honest Beauty again. I love this lip color. This is called Happiness, which makes it even better. Is this not one of the most beautiful lip colors you've ever seen? And last but not least, just a little bit of mascara. This is the It's So Big Volumizing Mascara by Elizabeth Mott. Thank you so much for watching my beauty tutorial today. I love creating simple looks, so give me a follow here and subscribe to my channel. You can also click the link in my bio, which will bring you to a linkable list of all of the other platforms that you can find me on.